Alam mo, itong NSAP na to ay second national conference na to, no? Pero what it made different from the first one is that meron ng kasama ngayon sa NSAP ng fresh water. Kaya ako nandito ngayon. So, kasi for next year, there is an NSAP expansion na hindi lang marine waters ang ina-assess natin, kundi freshwater inland bodies of water din ang i-assess natin. So, just like yesterday, nag-present kami ng stock assessment ng Taal Lake, which represented the inland waters of the Philippines. And also, part of the NSAP 2 is the presentation of the river in Car region. So, kami yung dalawang representative ng freshwater. So, dun sa presentation ko, we have a time series data of the Taal fishery resources. And it highlighted the production data, the dominant species, at the same time the status of the only freshwater sardine, which is the tawilis. So in that way, we were able to tell the stakeholders ano na ba yung status ng tawilis natin sa Pilipinas, since it is only found in Taal Lake and nowhere in the world. So sa tingin ko, magandang information yon to everyone na eto na pala yung status ng ating tawilis, so that we'll have some information kung paano natin mas mako-conserve and ma-manage ang ating tawilis resources in Taal Lake. So, ang importansya ng National Stock Assessment sa pag-a-assess ng tawilis natin, kasi dito sa NSAP, nai-standardize na natin yung ating methodology and more scientific yung approach dito in assessing our stocks. So, ibig sabihin, we will have a more reliable data collection and analysis of our stocks para malaman talaga natin kung meron pa bang mga stocks sa Taal Lake, which is the third largest lake in the Philippines. So, ngayon, dun sa preliminary data namin shows that the stocks of tawilis is declining yung kanyang stocks. Pero, hindi pa naman natin masasabing wala na siya talaga. So, now that we know that the trend of its production, we have some kumbaga policy options or management options that we can provide, or the information that we got from the assessment studies, para naman hindi na tumuloy ang pagkawala ng ating tawilis. Aside from the management interventions with regards to tawilis, sa kasalukuyan, pinag-aaralan din namin ang reproductive biology, and also we are conducting an early life history ng tawilis. So in that way, mabubuo natin yung life cycle ng tawilis para malaman natin kung saan ba talaga sila nangingitlog, saan yung mga spawning grounds niya, para malaman natin kung paano natin siya mas mako-conserve at mamamanage sa lake. Aside sa tawilis program natin or project, isa sa naging milestone ng center namin is yung completing the life cycle of Maliputo or the Carangsing nobilis, wherein we were able to breed it in captivity, and we were also able to stock some of our hatchery bred larvae ng Maliputo sa ating lake, sa Taal Lake. And also, yun din ang aming dream, or yun din ang aming objective, na hopefully, pag napag-aralan na rin namin ang life cycle ng tawilis, ay maaari rin natin sigurong ma-breed to in captivity so that we can also stock it in Taal Lake. So, ito yung mga examples ng mga nagagawa ng NSAP. Basically, nalalaman natin yung status ng mga fishery resources natin. So, aside from the management intervention and the breeding program, so malalaman pa rin natin yung iba pang mga fishery resources na nangangailangan ng intervention. At hopefully, ang lahat ng ito, ang isa lang naman ang ultimate objective nito para kung paano natin mas mabibigyan ng pagkain ang ating mga fisherfolk, ang ating stakeholders, at kung paano mas lalo magiging sustainable ang ating fishing practices sa Lawa ng Taal.